Moon. One freezing December morning, everything changed. Her name was Lena Morales. She was 24, a graduate student juggling 2 jobs, student loans, and endless deadlines. Like everyone else in the city, she was always in a hurry, until that morning. As she passed a worn wooden bench, she noticed a man shivering. Not dramatically. Quietly. With dignity. Something about that stopped her. She turned back. "Sir," she said gently, "are you okay?" The man looked up, startled. People didn't talk to him. Not anymore. "I'm fine," he replied, forcing a small smile. Lena hesitated. Then, without overthinking, she sat beside him. "I see you here every day," she said softly. "I just never asked your name." The man swallowed. "Samuel," he said. "And you?" "Lena." That was it. No grand gesture, no speech, just a simple exchange of names between 2 strangers. And yet, it was enough. Before leaving, Lena handed him her coffee. "I can grab another," she said. Samuel stared at the warm cup like it was something sacred. A small act, a big change. The next day, Lena returned. And the next. Sometimes she brought coffee. Sometimes a sandwich. Mostly, she brought conversation. Samuel began to open up about the school, the kids, his late wife, and the quiet that followed. "You mattered," Lena said one morning. Samuel laughed softly, a sound tinged with both sadness and disbelief. "I used to," he said. Those words lingered with Lena all day. That night, she wrote about him, not with pity, but with respect. She posted a short story online with a simple message. Greater than, kindness isn't about saving someone. Sometimes, it's about seeing them. She didn't expect much. When the city finally looked. By morning, her post had gone viral. Thousands of shares. Countless comments from strangers. People asking, "Where is he? Is he okay?" That evening, Lena returned to the bench. Samuel wasn't alone. A man had brought gloves. A woman offered a hot meal. Someone left a handwritten note, "Thank you for being here." Samuel's hands trembled, not from the cold, but from emotion. "I don't understand," he whispered. Lena smiled. "People finally see you." Within days, local news stations picked up the story. They didn't call Samuel a victim. They called him, the man who reminded a city to be kind. A star is born. Community groups invited Samuel to speak. Schools asked him to meet students. He shared simple wisdom. Be patient. Be kind when no one is watching. The quiet people matter. Students listened, wide-eyed. For the first time in years, Samuel felt useful again. A hashtag soon emerged, #Stars of Kindness. People across the city began sharing stories of small, unnoticed kindness, bus drivers, nurses, store clerks, janitors. Ordinary people, extraordinary hearts. The reunion. One evening, after a school talk, a woman waited near the exit. Samuel froze. "Dad." It was his daughter. She had seen his story online, read the comments, and realized how long she had been away. "I'm sorry," she whispered. "I forgot how much you mattered." Samuel hugged her tightly, tears soaking into his coat. Lena watched from a distance, her heart full. She hadn't planned to change a life. She had just stopped walking. The lesson that remains. Samuel no longer sits on the bench every morning. But sometimes, he returns, not to wait, but to remind. To remind the city that kindness doesn't need applause. That the brightest stars often shine quietly. That one small act can restore dignity, hope, and belonging. In a world that rushes past, be the one who stops. Because someone out there, just like Samuel once was, is waiting to be seen.